This is no Television Shop iChannel. We are here at the Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Ahly not. My brother, what's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Sbusiso Mabunda. I'm coming from Mamelodi.
Yeah. And then how do you feel about the game today?
No, very high tactical game.
Yeah.
I thought Rhulani is growing. From last season Champions League to today's game, you can see that the guy is matured. He is no longer naive.
Yes.
He knows that when to play in Africa and how to play in the PSL. You can tell that this is a Champions League game. You know, he can manage the game whenever to manage the game. Didn't rush anything. You know, he was calm. The players were calm. You can tell this is the highest form of game in Africa.
Yes, yes.
Very, very, very high tactical game. The players apply themselves. Kudos to AB.
Yeah.
For me, AB was man of the match.
Yeah.
AB previous games, these two previous games didn't even get a yellow card. But then before every game, AB
used to get yellow cards.
But then kudos to AP is improving. I'm happy for him. I'm very happy with the game. 1-0, we take 1-0 to Ahly. We go there, we frustrate them there. We also do their tactics that we're doing here. Trying to delay the game, all those things. We're gonna go there and then
do the same.
Because what I like about Rhulani is he knows these things and then
he can manage the game.
He can manage the game very well.
Yeah.
He did the same thing the second leg with this Pedro, you know. You saw William lying in the ground. I've never seen that in Sundowns team, but then with Rhulani this season, he's aware of all those things. So we go to Egypt in Cairo. We're gonna play 30 as well. We can do that. So we go there and manage the game. We score one goal. We lie on the floor. We go to the final.
As long as you make sure that you go there with the mentality of scoring. Yeah. Because sometimes during the delay tactics, if they can come and say one, it's easy for them to come and say two.
Yeah, no, that's correct. But then I don't know. But then Ahly don't seem too dangerous, man. Today, I don't know what's the ball position, but then they were not playing. First half, I didn't see them. They only tried to play last 5 minutes because they can see that they wanted to get an away goal. But then Rhulani could manage the game. He brought in Lebuso, he brought in Zungu so to manage the game. So I'm not scared. We go there, we score one goal. I don't see Ahly scoring
coming back.
Nah.
Thank you very much. So do you think when you after beating Ahly, do you think you're going to take this one? Because you might face Wydad and who took you out of the cage.
You see, this game was the final before final. You see, Wydad, they owe us. You saw we dealt with Pedro in the quarterfinal. We're dealing with Ahly in the semi-final. Then the revenge with Wydad.
I wish you can go to the finals with them. It's gonna be a beautiful goal.
See, the good thing is the final. We're going to Morocco first, and then we come back to Loftus.
Exactly.
So we're gonna leave the cup here, and then it's gonna be a sweet revenge.
Wow.
But then kudos to Kekana. He had a good game. So I'm not sure if Mvala come back to that final if he's gonna play. But then Kekana had a very, very brilliant game with Kotze in the. Very good game. Number one
goalkeeper. Mutau also the best.
Mutau, I don't see Mutau coming back to PSL next season.
The best.
I don't see Allende coming back to next season. I don't see Allende coming to a PSL next season.
You see, that's what we said about Serino.
Yeah,
then he's still there. That's the thing with Sundowns. Like you keep your players sometimes, and like for a very long time. You surprised me with this boy, Mailula. You know, that one, it was a surprise for me. But, you know, with players like Abu Zwane, Zwane
he came late, Zwane. Came late. But then, Malula, I thought it was premature. But then we wait and see. But I thought maybe he was supposed to play one more season. But we don't want to keep players in the team, you know, because also Serino wanted to leave, but then there was no one wanted Serino. No, wanted to come and knock.
No, but the thing is, you didn't put the price on him.
No, but then who came and asked for the price?
You didn't hear Peter saying that, you know, they don't want to put the price on him.
Did he come and ask for the price?
He said so.
No, he said he didn't want to put the price, but he didn't come and knock and ask for the price. You know, with Peter, he want players for free. I mean, this is business. We bought Serino and then Serinos have contract with us. We can't just release Serino for free. I mean, it's Serino for. We saw how the performance that he brought in.
Now Since he's given the chance, he's playing very well.
And we've forgiven him. In Sundowns, we don't hold grudges. If we ask forgiveness, we forgive him. We move on. We move. I mean, this is the Sundowns that we want going forward. That if you made a mistake, the team's got your back. Then we forgive you, and then we forget about the previous thing, and then we move forward.
He's left with about 8 months in his contract. Do you think you're gonna extend the contract?
With his,
because if you don't negotiate with him now, in January he can negotiate with any team.
Yeah, but then also the age. Let's look at the age. You know, with the new Sundowns, look at the young Maseko, you look at Mapena, you look at Bonkosi. They're coming in. We're looking at the future. I think Serino's age, it might work against him, but then if he can negotiate, if he wants to stay, we'll let him stay. But then if he wants to go also,
he can go.
He can go, it's fine. There's new players coming in. There's youngsters who are waiting for a chance to play. But then if he wants to stay, he will stay. If he wants to leave, he's welcome to leave, but then we love Serino. He's a brilliant player. We've got good memories with Serino. We've won so many things with Serino.
Jersey number 10.
Look, there's no other than the current team that can wear just that jersey with Serino. So if everything goes well, Serino must stay, or Serino if he wants to leave, he's welcome to leave.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best in Ahly.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey,
Sharp.